Look up at the sky. The sun creates massive amounts of energy, burning for billions of years without pollution, without waste. It is the ultimate power source. For decades, scientists have asked one dangerous question. What if we could bring a piece of the sun down to Earth? What if we could build a star in a bottle? Our current reality is grim. We burn dead fossils, coal and oil, poisoning our atmosphere and changing our climate. Solar and wind are clean, but they are not enough to power the megacities of the future. We need something denser, something infinite. We need nuclear fusion. Fusion is the process that powers the stars. It forces two hydrogen atoms to smash together and fuse into helium, releasing an explosion of pure energy. It is the holy grail of physics. Zero carbon emissions, no long-term radioactive waste, and fuel derived from plain seawater. A single glass of water could power a house for a year. To make this dream a reality, 35 nations have joined forces in France to build the most complex machine in human history, ITER. It is a Tokamak, a massive donut-shaped magnetic chamber designed to contain a nuclear storm. It weighs 3 times as much as the Eiffel Tower and contains more parts than a space shuttle. Inside this machine, the magic happens. Powerful magnets trap a superheated gas called plasma. To force atoms to fuse, this plasma must reach temperatures of 150 million degrees Celsius. That is 10 times hotter than the core of the sun. It is the hottest place in the solar system, right here on Earth. But taming a star is a nightmare. The engineering precision required is insane. If the magnetic field fails for a millisecond, the superheated plasma could touch the walls, melting the reactor instantly. Billions of dollars and decades of research are on the line. Critics say it is 30 years away and always will be.
Yet, if ITER succeeds, it changes everything. It means unlimited, clean energy for eternity. No more energy wars, no more pollution. It is the closest humanity has ever come to stealing fire from the gods. Will we ignite the artificial sun or burn our fingers trying? Let us know in the comments. This is Epoch Works.